Is there a strategy to take safe pips every day from the Forex market? Today's video I'm going to answer that. I got a question from a viewer asking, is there a for sure or a safe strategy that I can implement into my trading plan to take pips from the market constantly every day? The simple answer straight to the point is no, there is not, because the market is inconsistent and sometimes it can be hard to predict depending on your time frame and the currency pair that you're trading. The market varies a lot. Every single month you have different events impacting the market, different supply and demand coming into the market. So your strategy that you might have that might be consistently profitable for months might eventually not be profitable and might even cost you to lose some money. What does that mean for you as a trader? That means that you as a trader have to constantly be not only paying attention to how the market moves and reacts to certain events, but at the same time you should be tweaking your trading plan and adjusting certain things, certain exits, entry points, this and that. The point here is that nothing is guaranteed, nothing is for sure in the Forex market. You can have a trading strategy that will last you years, but then say for example a major political or just a major event happens that affects that currency pair, and the currency pair will never trade again ever. We've seen this happen many times where the currency pair just gets drastically impacted that it never returns to a level it had been before, because that's just the way market goes. The market's a free-for-all. Sometimes you might see this, someday you might see that. So what you have to do as a trader is adjust your trading plan based on what the market and what you're seeing in the market do. Now, people claiming or thinking that there's going to be a guaranteed strategy that worked back in the 1900s to what's going to work now, just to give you guys a rough idea, Forex was a lot more difficult to trade back then. 40, 50 years from now, Forex was almost impossible to get into as a retail trader. Way back then, it didn't even exist. Sure, there existed the exchange of currency, but it wasn't as you see it now, as people, as retail traders like you and I can easily join the big boys and play the same games they do. That didn't exist years ago. The point here I'm trying to make is that the strategies that you implement now are not guaranteed to work in the future. So even if you do have a guaranteed trading plan, you have to maybe just tweak it a little. Nothing too big, just change a little bit, change your take profit, change your stop loss, and then just continue trading that way, because the market changes. It constantly is evolving. So you can't throw something fixed like your trading strategy and into something that's constantly evolving and expect it to work, because it will not. It's that simple. So should you be worried about the market changing too fast and you having to change your trading plan so frequently that it gets annoying? No, because like I said before, the market is like a gigantic boat. It takes time for it to move completely. Just turn around, make a 360 turn, it takes a while. The market's not just going to completely flip around to where you have to drastically change your trading plan. You might have to change a minor thing or two that might just take a couple minutes, but it won't just cause you to erase your entire trading plan that you've been working on. That's the beauty of the market, that sure, it does change, but it takes time for it to change. You can see the patterns, you can see how the market slowly begins to reverse, and it's very obvious once you start gaining experience. So you shouldn't be worried like, oh, I'm gonna have to change my trading plan every week. No, that's not the way it works. The point of this video is to say that no, there's no safe way or safe strategy, because you can't throw a fixed strategy into something that's constantly evolving. It might work for a little bit, it will not work forever. Nothing works forever. You see traders a couple years back, what were they doing down Wall Street? They were yelling, this, that, being loud. Now you go to Wall Street, dead, completely empty. It's like everything has gone from yelling to being physical to just trading electronically. Big difference. So what would happen if those people stuck to the same yelling on Wall Street? They'd be dead broke now, because nobody's there. The market doesn't work, just simply doesn't work like that. The point I'm trying to make here is things constantly evolve. You have to change your trading plan, adjust whenever that happens. It's just like anything, any other business. Say for example, you set up a computer repair store and you see that you're not getting any computer work, but you start offering cell phone repair. So then you start seeing a lot more repair coming in for cell phones only. So what you do is, as a smart business person, you stop or slow down promoting your computer repair and start promoting your cell phone repair, because that's what's bringing in the money, bringing in the customers. You have to give them what they want. Offer something that the market needs. In this case, you have to give the market what it needs, what will give you profit and return. You can't be like, here market, I have this trading plan, it's years old, but I want to put it to work now and hopefully it gives me something in return, because the market changes a lot. It changes constantly. Throughout my career, I've seen the market move. I've seen pairs that used to move a lot, move a little. The vice versa. I've seen pairs that used to be very slow, move a lot during the just one currency trading day. Point here is the market's constantly evolving. You can't just buy. You can't just create a strategy that's going to last for years. Expect for it to constantly be profitable in the long term, because you will have to adjust it, tweak it, maybe just ever so slightly, but you will have to change it. That's the point. So no, there's no guaranteed safe strategy to extract pips from the market every single day for a while. There can be temporarily, but for the long term, I wouldn't bank on it. Stay away from anybody that claims to have a proven strategy to be working for years. If you can only buy this for $9.97, then you'll just be rich in 2 weeks. Stay away from any of that. You guys are smart enough to do that. So I hope this video helped you guys out in regards to the entire just expecting to have a for sure safe trading. So I hope this video helped you guys out in regards to just your expectations on having a trading plan that's going to last you for years. And not only that, I don't think a lot of people will actually continue the same trading plan that they first began with, because as you gain experience, gain more knowledge, you might want to tweak that to your benefit in order to extract more money from the market. So as you will see, your trading plan will constantly begin to evolve just like the market will. More experience you gain, more knowledge, you will eventually tweak it a little, add this, add that, remove this, to the point where you get more in return. Because at the end, that's all that matters, extracting money from the market. Hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any other questions, send them to me. Make sure to subscribe for the Forex course as well as more videos. Send me any other questions. I'm here answering all. Till next time, guys, stay tuned.